Hey, I'm Renee, and I'm here to do a review on Barley Grass Juice Powder. I got this because I'm trying to be a bit healthier, and this has a lot of the essential amino acids. It's got calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins. So, be pretty healthy. They say that you can add it to juices, smoothies, and bowls. I want to see how it does being mixed. So I'm going to take a little and mix it with water just to see how it does. I don't think it does too bad. A little bit of clumps, but not horribly. It's definitely got a nice bright green grassy color. And it also has a pretty strong green taste. So if you are not all about that, you might want to add it to like a smoothie so you can kind of cut down on how strong it is. But overall, I like the product, and I'm going to keep using it.